Hello, everyone. Actors Victor here. Let me just make sure we're getting audio. Not that I think we're not, but you never know. This webcam is very picky. So in any case, I'll react to YouTube. Brendan Shitty create a Facebook page. Let's see if I like this one. I actually remember that song. It's like some classic. It's like Funeral March or something. I don't remember what it's called exactly, but I know I've listened to it before. Well, I'll tell you what you really think, Shitty.
I'm so sick. Excuse me, Ren. It's time for my appointment.
Yes, it is. Is it not?
This is private.
Yeah, no shit. Oh, he doesn't have his neck's not attached.
I've had enough of your tomfoolery. Oh, what I'm gonna do to you.
I wish you could see my face right now. I'm like, what the fuck?
Lord, help me.
Oh shit.
No! I love you!
Shit again. So basically, the events of that, like, one Ren episode that Mr. Enner reviewed, where he is a psychopath, basically, this is the precursor or after effect of that. Run!
At last, cousin, come on. Then? Get in here, you old yak hunter.
There's some sentence mixing. Hold up.
Wario, turn
Wario!
on, you sis little monkey. What's that? It's my Yarop.
I knew it was gonna be implied like that.
What's that?
A penis!
Oh, that's just my penis.
Penis, cupcake!
You want to see mine? Okay.
Oh, good God.
Let's play seek and seek.
Golly, Link, I get it. Golly.
Let's get high. Okay.
Smoke weed every day. Oh, they do have weed.
9, 11,
Oh, good God.
third. It's the fucking funnest game.
The fucking funnest game. Or maybe they said fucking bunnies game.
Don't tease on the electric fan.
Oh, good God.
It come everywhere.
Good God.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big
Face. Get your hand all over the place.
singing,
We will rock you. We will rock you. Well, that was an interesting ending. That was interesting. I can't say whether it was good or bad, but that was definitely interesting. So, maybe not the best YouTube I've ever seen, but it's definitely not the worst. It did make me laugh, which is more than I can say for some of them. In any case, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.